What's going on, people? Welcome once again to another episode of Informer by the Window.
And we're sitting here with Nino and his Barry G voice, ready to get down with the sound. There you go with the voice.
I don't know why you're always saying that.
Because it sounds like you're
saying that.
I'm the man on the wheels of steel with Barry G coming to you live on direct. Anyhow.
You're a bit of a pain
Hi,
in the
everybody.
ass,
How's everybody doing? We're sitting by the Informer window, and to that one person who shall remain nameless,
oh yes,
I embrace my singing voice, and I am not afraid to sing my little intro. Thank you very much, because I'm sitting by my Informer window.
I do not want to crunch.
Do you really think you can sing?
No, I didn't say I could sing. I'm just fooling around, sitting here.
No. You're not fooling around because you're actually calling somebody out and making reference to the fact that
I have to call them out. Of course, they fire shots. I have to fire back shots. You have to call them out. You mean?
I suggest you start firing blanks.
Actually, I'm playing. I cannot sing. Don't come for me in the comments. Although you've been kind thus far. So people,
but,
what's going on?
The funny thing is this week, I want to thank all you guys, though, for all your support on social media. It's been wonderful. The outpouring of love is just phenomenal. Keep it coming. And don't forget to share, like,
and subscribe.
The bell.
We've turned into these YouTubers,
But
Smash that button, press that like, and subscribe.
There you go. What I was trying to get at was this week. I don't know if y'all seen my Escovitch fish video.
Yes.
So I had that posted, and I was running on a channel when I had this lady attack me.
Attack is not the
well,
word.
Maybe not attack, but
she mentioned a point,
and it
mashed his toe.
Yes,
basically is what Jamaicans say. It mash up your con. Because it's been bothering him since the woman mentioned this.
And what she did was she criticized my Dutch pot.
God forbid you should criticize his pot.
Let me tell you this. If any of you have a Dutch pot at home, or your mother have, or your grandmother, you know that after a while, that Dutch pot is going to start developing these dark marks on them. Now, that's a Dutch pot that is well seasoned, well traveled, well used. So I want to let this lady know.
Why don't you go for your Dutch pot and show everybody what your Dutch pot is?
Absolutely. Let me grab my.
Because a Dutch pot, or a Dutch oven, some people call it, is a staple in Jamaica. Every Jamaican household, or any Caribbean household, any household, as a matter of fact, has these Dutch pots, Dutch ovens. And after a while, they start to age. As you start to cook in them, they stain with the curry, with the browning, and they get, quote, seasoned. So you can always tell a cook with a Dutch pot that is well seasoned or well colored. If you have a bright, shiny Dutch pot, then that says that you haven't used it very much and it's not seasoned. So when this woman mentioned that his Dutch pot was a little bit too dark, he didn't appreciate that at all, people.
Because guys, here I am. I'm back here and here. I don't want to put it in your face, but here's my Dutch pot. Now, my Dutch pot is clean. It's sparkling clean, but it's got some age on it. It's got some marks on it. It's well traveled. It's well seasoned. And this lady made mention about my Dutch pot. She insulted my Dutch pot, and I took offense to that. Well, I'll have you know, and I certainly hope you're listening. I will have you know, lady, that right now on TikTok, my Dutch pot is kicking off with well over 15,000 hits. So put that in your pipe and what? Smoke it.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, we're bullies. We're turning into bullies.
I'm not bullying. She came at me and she had no right to attack me the way she did. That was so unnecessary. So I took offense to that.
Okay,
so
hush.
I'm letting you know.
Hush.
I'm letting you know, lady, that you are 1 in 15,000. So have a seat. So in other words, bye Felicia.
Listen, You can't be having internet wars with people.
I'm not having internet war with
You've
anyone.
only been on this platform for what, 2 days?
You're absolutely right.
Okay.
2 hours even. But I still got to state my point that I'm not going to let you... Insulting my Dutch spot is like insulting my family. Don't do that.
All right, enough about the Dutch spots. Enough about the Dutch spots.
So, continuation of our Dutch spot.
Enough of the
Just
Dutch
a little update as well. I've talked about my neighbor early on with the security car in front of my house. Well, it's the start of a spring, and he's not putting the security car in front of my house. Now he's putting his own personal car. I'm sitting here staring through the Infama window on this black beast sitting in front of my house.
A beast. It's just a little...
I don't know what it is.
Car.
Why don't he park it in front of his own house?
Oh, Lord.
Why don't he park? I'm going to put a business card in his mailbox so he can subscribe to this channel. Just so he can see
Could you
how much of a
imagine
nuisance
when the
he
man
is.
sees the YouTube page,
Well,
you talking about him and his car?
Listen, I'm just talking the things. I'm talking the truth, right? I'm saying it as it is. So
All right.
there, he may not like it, and I'm not meaning to offend him, but I don't care.
Okay.
I still want to be neighborly, but I'd like him not to park his car in front of my house.
You know, a friend of mine had said, I was watching your video and I can see you and your husband, you're always laughing and all that. She says, my husband, he never talks. He never talks. And I'm like, I can't get him to shut up.
Yeah.
He never shuts up. But she had a very good point. She said, they're going to be retired soon. And how do I get him to talk? What kind of suggestions do you have for her to get him to be more, of an extrovert and to talk a little bit more? She says he just sits there and he doesn't talk.
She needs to cook him a good meal. She should have asked him when last. And as far as telling him how to shut up, well, I got news for you. I've devised a nice little recipe, guys, of how to keep my mouth shut. I just keep my mouth full. When I got something in my mouth, I don't talk.
And this one goes through a case of Perrier, at least a case a week, if not more. So that goes to show how much he needs to keep his mouth shut. Right? Okay.
And, I enjoy my Perrier. I enjoy it more so than I would drinking any form of alcohol. I'm not big on alcohol, and kudos to those who want to drink. My drink of choice is 2 things, coconut water or Perrier.
But coconut water kind of runs through you. Mm-hmm. I don't like coconut water so much.
So in other words, you can't accuse me of being full of beep.
Oh,
I'm good like that.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
I'm good.
Yes, but I'm a little cold.
I'm regular.
Are you feeling cold? I'm a little cold.
Well, it is getting a little cool, but
Yeah.
it's still a nice day.
Yeah.
Nice, lovely day to sit around.
And on that note, guys,
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
we'll see you next time. Until then.
See ya.